is called Fortune, and it's one of the first banjo tunes that I learned that had something called a Galax lick in it, which goes do do da da, just outlines the one chord, or in this case C major, because we are in C, open C tuning, which from low to high is C, G, C, D, G. C, G, C, D, G. And open C tuning has this quality to it that really lends itself beautifully to these kind of, man, I just want to say that they kind of sound like little flowing creeks or little rivulets. It makes me think of the Brandywine River, for example, where I come from in Pennsylvania. So let's start out from the top. This song goes from A, A, B, B. And this one's pretty complex with all the drop thumbing in it, so take your time with it. I'm going to go through it pretty quickly because this is a YouTube video, which if you like this video, please like and subscribe in the buttons below. And if you want a tablature of this song, let me know. You can make a donation and I'll be happy to provide a little tab for this song. And I kind of liken a lot of these banjo tunes that I do, I found in a book. And I feel like they're really true to the old-timey tradition. I don't know exactly who went around and collected these tunes, but I know that a gentleman named Harry Reid, I think, wrote a bunch of these kind of strangely, I want to call them esoteric little banjo / fiddle tunes. Well, at least the ones that I gravitate towards that I find to be the most musical. So part A of this tune starts with a Galax lick. Take that slower. So there's a drop thumb. Then the Galax lick again. That was pretty easy. The third Galax lick. Third one is probably the most complex. Yeah. Drop, thumb. It's the same pattern in the right hand. Do do da da do do da da do do da da. Same pattern 3 times in a row. Except for the last one. So the whole A part goes like this. Galax. Galax again. Galax again. One thumb on second string. First string, clawhammer finger, thumb on the 5th string. Then I go 4-1. Second Galax, third Galax. You can always slow it down in the little gear icon in the bottom right. You can slow it down and see exactly what I'm doing there. B part. Kind of liken this thing to 3 different phrases. The first phrase goes like this. Second phrase. Third phrase. So the first phrase, there's no Galax licks in this B part. It starts with this open second string and then a brush. It's really kind of, the way I hear it is like you open and then you kind of die out. You open and then you kind of die out with this phrase. we do this thing, I do this thing with my left hand that I pull off to get that sound, because the banjo is a really live instrument. You can pull off on that second fret of that first string while you're doing other fancy schmancy stuff. So when I pull that finger off, I'm not hitting it with my first finger of my right hand, or my clawhammer finger on my right hand. I am just pulling it off on that second fret, first string. So the B part starts with open second string, then a brush, boom, chicka, boo, then the pull off I talked about, then a brush. Then I'm doing a drop thumb, first, second, second, fifth. Again, start of the B part. Then I do the same thing again, but I land on the third string instead. And then so then it leads to the end of the B part phrase. Third phrase. Boom, chicka, ba dun da da, da dun da da. 1 2 1 5, 1 2 on the thumb, 1 5. Da dun da 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 dun da da. It's all the same thing in the right hand. And then on that last drop down to the second fret of your first string. And then the ending, 1 2, the fourth fret, third string, open 2 4, fifth string, then it ends on that second string. So the whole B part yet again. Again, you can slow this down with the little gear icon in the bottom right. If you have any questions, let me know. Currently giving private lessons over Zoom. If y'all are interested, any part of the world, really, you can take some Clawhammer banjo lessons from me. Take these tunes a little more, have a little personal lesson with me. If you like what you're hearing and seeing, please like and subscribe. Trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers. That would be really helpful for me. And I'll keep doing these banjo tunes. I've got some guitar tunes in the works as well. Here, I'll play the whole thing in its entirety one more time, AABB. And if you have any questions or comments, leave some love in the comment section below. This is a brand new banjo to me. It was given to me as a gift. It's a Chuck Waldman banjo. He's a gentleman who lives in California. And I put some nylon strings on it, some Nile gut strings on it. And I just love how it sounds. So thank you for watching. If you want a tab, you can look in the comments below for a donation link, and I'll send you a tab. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Thanks for coming by. Here's Fortune in its entirety. 1 2 3.